So here's a quick tip for everybody with a Jeep Cherokee XJ. I ran into a squeaking noise in the front end of my Cherokee this morning. It has a new serpentine belt, so I didn't think it was that, but it was still like this chirping noise, and it didn't seem to be affected by RPM. And I didn't know what it was. I think I figured it out. I just went on a test drive to confirm that, and I think this is a common issue that I've seen a couple other YouTube videos about actually. But basically there's a pulley on the bottom driver's side of the engine below the power steering pump. If you have too much torque on that pulley, it'll actually kind of deform and start to rub against the back of that tensioning bracket. So to get around that, what I did was put a washer behind it. Basically there is a screw, and then the pulley, and then there's just a spacer. It's just a thick spacer, and then it bolts into the bracket. So some people were saying basically you need to remove some of the torque, basically loosen up the screw. And I was like, well, a loose screw on a tensioner doesn't seem like a good idea. If there's a problem with clearance, let's just add a washer. And so that's what I did. It spaced it off at like a 1/16 of an inch. Further, the belt still is riding on the pulley for the tensioner, and a little chipmunk that I had in my engine bay went away. Now, let's go look. This is the pulley. This is the bolt I was referring to. This bolt has a big shoulder on it. This pulley has a big bearing in it. Behind the pulley, there is a spacer. I basically just added another spacer behind that, which is in the form of a big washer. And I'll show you the size of the washer I use here in just a second. But it got rid of the squeaky noise, and so that's cool. If you have this problem, you should use this video to help you. Look, it's Champ. I'm gonna come get you, Champ. And Ted. What are you doing, Champ? No boy, he's coming. He's coming to get me.